up, Wagwan? And I am back today with another fun tutorial, and we're not wasting no time. We're just gonna jump right into it with our primer, which is my favorite primer in the whole wide world. So you're just gonna want to start with clean skin, freshly washed face, and then after you do this, you do our corrector. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and I'll be right back, because you know we're not trying to make the video hella long, right? Okay, if you notice, I have some right here. I don't know why. Right here feels a tad bit dark. Anyway, on to the next. After we do that, we want to go ahead and add our powder. And you guys know I like to add it because I like to add it on top of my corrector to lock it in place. And I try to be a little precise with it. You can brush off the excess later. You don't have to do it right now. In fact, I recommend that you brush it off later. Try not to leave, try to not leave harsh lines. Even though it's just this, it can still help to blend. No harsh lines, okay? Where did I put my stencil? Can you see it? This is what I'm gonna be doing. How I'm gonna do that is remains to be seen. Remains to be seen. I think I'll use this. This may work, it may work, it may not work. I don't know. So we're going to place this, right? And I'm gonna start on the outer edge. That definitely didn't work. It definitely, well, it kind of sort of worked a little bit. No, wait, it's kind of there. It's kind of there. I can draw it from that, right? I think I could do it. Where did I just put the stencil? It have to go work. It's going to have to work because I'm gonna try it again. Now, after you've gotten that, now you want to go ahead and add your first color. I'm trying to think if I should start from inside and work my way out, or start from the outside and work my way in. I'm really impressed with how nice this came out. Seriously. I am. It's quite nice. Okay. I think I'll just do the outline with the black. I love this black. It's like really nice and deep. And we're back. One more color left, and it's the yellow. Or should I say golds? I think I'm gonna do a little bit of yellow and then gold on top because I want it to be nice. So we're gonna add this yellow right here, and then we're gonna go in with some gold on top of it. And I have the perfect shade of gold. Do you remember the time when I said I had the perfect gold? Isn't she love? The phone keeps doing this thing where it runs out of space. Anyway, all done. It was inspired by this young lady that I saw on Instagram. I don't know her name. When I post this picture on my IG, I'm gonna tag her. I did screenshot her photo, so I'm gonna find out if she has a YouTube, and if she does, I'm gonna put it in my bio description. I'm new to the YouTube thing. You guys can clearly see that I'm horrible at it, but I'm getting better. Anyway, I do hope you like this. I know the video was probably a little bit crappy, but hopefully you got something from it. I don't know what's going on when I never have enough space, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching if you stuck around to see the finished look. I hope you tune in next time.